Hey class, welcome to MM570. This will be a short video, and one of the things that you're going to be asked to do quite frequently in MM570 this term is for some of the discussions, you will be asked to go into Excel, since the course uses Excel as the primary software, and you will be asked to go in and generate a random data set. If you're not familiar with Excel, there's no need to worry. Specific directions will be given. But the main thing that I want to show you and that you will want to be careful about throughout the course when you're asked to generate these random data sets is how you will need to copy and paste your data set to a new Excel workbook. If you don't do this, then you'll find that the random numbers continue to change, and if you try to do part of an assignment and then go back in, if you have not pasted the data correctly, the numbers will keep changing and they won't stay consistent. So this short video will just show you what to do so that anytime you're dealing with random data sets, you'll know how to copy and paste special your data set that you're working with so that you won't have to worry about it changing, and you will be able to keep it the same data set and work on it as you need to throughout the week. All right. So let us go ahead and let me get into Excel. In your first discussion, you will have an Excel data set already provided for you, and it will be a data set that looks like this, where you've got 30 IQs down column A. It might look like there's 31, but remember there's the subject heading, the IQ, the title takes up cell A1, and so actually there are 30 IQs here. Well, what you want to do, it says do this first. Type your first name in the green box below to generate 30 new IQs. So let me just show you right now. Notice at the very top of the IQ list, we have numbers like 78, 66, 98, and so forth. But anytime you click your mouse, so like let me just take my mouse and click, well actually these are locked, but anytime, like watch what I'm going to do here. I'll type my name in the green cell like you should do. It says type your first name. So I'll just type M-A-R-Y. And notice it changes them. But let's suppose you're getting ready to try to do your work on this data set that you generated, and you forgot to copy and paste it to a new workbook. As you click on things, like watch what happens when I click on my name again. Look at what happens to the numbers. If I click right here again and I do anything where I'm kind of messing with the numbers, like for example, let's suppose I go up here to data and click on that. This will be one of the units where you're going to begin to learn to use your data analysis toolpack. Well, keep your eye on column A when I click data analysis toolpack up here and go to descriptive statistics and click OK. Notice it changed the numbers. All right. And you don't want it to do that because every time you go click on something new, the numbers will change. That's just because of the random nature when Excel has been programmed to generate random numbers. And it's going to be very helpful to use random numbers and random data sets in this course so that we can get a feel for natural random variation that we will talk about throughout the course. But you don't want your numbers that you're going to use for your data set to keep changing. So to prevent that, here's what you're going to want to do. As soon as you type your first name in, so I'm going to do it again just to kind of regenerate. So pretend you start out, you type your first name in, you press enter, and it gives you these 30 IQs. You will immediately want to take your mouse and click and drag down these 30 numbers. And notice these at the top started at 94, 89, 117. So I'll be able to show you that when you learn how to paste it special, you'll keep those same numbers. So 94, 89, 117, and so forth. So you are going to drag your mouse down these. You're going to click Control-C and copy, but then you need to go to a completely brand new Excel workbook. Don't use different sheets or anything. Just go to a brand new Excel workbook. So I'm clicking on Excel and I'm going to open up just a brand new workbook. And instead of just doing Control-V, you're going to want to paste special. So watch what I'm doing here. I'm going to come up here to the top. I'm going to click the drop down and I'm going to go down here to paste special. And when I click on paste special, I want to come over here and click on values and number formats. That will keep the rounding and number formats exactly how you need to. and it will paste the actual values, meaning they won't change now. So I'll click on that radio button, click OK, and notice there are my same numbers, 94, 89, 117, and so forth. And now look what happens when I click on data and come over here to data analysis and click on that and click on descriptive statistics and click OK. The numbers are not changing over here. They are staying the same, and you're ready to go with your work. So really important any of these weeks that you will be generating random data sets to make sure that after you get your data set generated at the very beginning, immediately do a copy, paste special, and then click the radio button that says values in same formats. And then just use a brand new worksheet. The brand new worksheet then will be the one that you upload and attach to your post, so that once again, we will be able to see the actual same values that you used to do your discussion work. So hopefully that's helpful. Reach out to your instructor if you have any questions with this.